Hello, everyone. It's just another day and it's another peace story. You must be wondering today what's bothering me. Is it the maid issue or the grocery that's not been delivered to my house? Well, it's none of those. It's all sorted out. Just one video that I created about that issue resolved all the issues related to that particular problem. So I thought, why not? Let me create a video which is disturbing my peace every day. If there is an issue, if someone disturbs my peace every day, then I'm going to create a video based on that. So today, what's bothering me is the next question. Well, what's bothering me today is the news. News in the newspaper is bothering me. When I wake up in the morning, I want to see all happy news. But when I open the newspaper, I see all horrible news there. Either a child, there is a harassment against child, or there is bloodshed somewhere. I'm not quite happy about it, and I don't feel like reading newspapers these days. So, and there is some soldier dying across the battlefield, and there are so many horrible issues that I just don't want to read. So you must be wondering, what should a journalist do? Stop reporting it just to bring in peace into my life? No, a journalist is just doing her job by reporting the news. The cause of the problem is are the people who are creating those news, as in people who are doing the crime. So once they stop doing those crimes, then no one has to report such news in the newspaper, and with that I will get my peace, and then I will never create a video of this sort, and I will mind my own business of living peacefully. How many of you feel happy by seeing bloodshed? Who says, wow, bloodshed? None of us, right? But still, why are we supporting conflicts? Why do we always spend so much money on conflicts? Why don't we spend money on peace? Peace doesn't need money, actually. You just have to live peacefully and do your job well. And that money, which is being wasted on a conflict, can be used elsewhere for something more productive. That's all you need to do to bring peace into the world, and more importantly, peace into my life. Otherwise, I'd create another video of this sort, and again, it's a waste of time for you. Are we not wasting time on discussing such issues? If we all live peacefully and do our jobs well, and there are no conflicts anywhere, or there are no crimes anywhere, then we all can live peacefully. You must be thinking this is just a concept. Yes, as of now it's in the concept form, but you can always bring it to production. We are all designers of our life. You and me are creating these stories, right? So there must be an engineer somewhere who can bring this concept into production. There are so many beautiful concept cars that come into production. So this is one such concept which any engineer in the world, the influencers, the authoritative people, they can definitely work on this, and we are here to support them, silently support them in their cause. So that's all is my peace story for the day. And if you like this video, then please do share it with people. And otherwise, please do let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts on this. And thanks for watching, and thanks for your time.